10-year-old Annika and Nishant eagerly got ready for school in their uniforms. They finished having breakfast with their father, Kumar. At that moment, the sound of the national anthem being played was heard from outside the house. Immediately, Kumar, Annika, and Nishant all eagerly ran outside to see. At the government office in front of their house, the Indian Independence Day flag was being hoisted, and sweets were being distributed. Seeing this, Annika and Nishant asked, "Dad, can you tell us about Indian Independence Day?" Their father began to speak, saying, "It is very important for you to learn about Independence Day. Now, listen carefully. To commemorate the hard-fought freedom gained from the British, every year on 15th August, Independence Day is celebrated across the entire country. This day is considered a memorable and significant day in the life of every Indian. On 15th August 1947, India gained independence from British rule and became a free and sovereign nation. On this day, the national flag is hoisted across the country, freedom fighters are remembered, and respects are paid to them. On this day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and addresses the nation. In that speech, the Prime Minister will talk about the country's development over the past year. He will also announce the plans for the coming year. Then, at the ceremony, a military parade showcasing the nation's defense forces takes place. Following this, cultural programs such as dances and songs are held. In every state capital, the Chief Minister hoists the national flag, delivers a speech, and provides welfare assistance. Similarly, at the district level, the district collector, senior officials at government offices, and principals, heads, or special guests at schools and colleges hoist the national flag and deliver special speeches. Furthermore, after distributing sweets, a holiday is granted. After Kumar explained about Independence Day in detail, Annika and Nishant said, "Yes, Dad, our school has also arranged to celebrate today with flag hoisting, dance, and music programs, along with distributing prizes and sweets." At that moment, their mother Kumari, who was inside, said, "It's time to go to school. Take this lunch bag and get ready to leave." Kumar called both of them and took them to school. After the special guest hoisted the national flag at the school, sweets were distributed to everyone. Afterwards, Annika and Nishant participated in the dance and music programs held at the school and enjoyed themselves. At the event, the special guest introduced himself as a writer and spoke about the importance of Independence Day. He concluded his speech by saying, "Independence Day is a celebration that is joyfully observed all across India, transcending caste, religion, and community. We must all honor it." After that, he gave a gift to all the students. Annika and Nishant, who received the gifts and returned home, gave their gifts to their mother Kumari and asked her to open them. Mother Kumari eagerly opened it. Inside was a children's book about the history of our country. Seeing it, Kumari said, "Read this book and learn many things about India." Then, she said, "Both of you must be tired. Go take a bath and come back." Thus, Annika and Nishant joyfully celebrated Independence Day.